So I discovered I had a little bit of rust in the sill of my truck right here. So I went and cleaned it all up, and I removed the angle that was in there that the seal fits on, because that's just spot welded on, and there's a crevice corrosion problem underneath that channel with the way they built the vehicle. So what I did was I made a new channel. I zinc primed, weldable zinc primer on the rust after I cleaned it up. And we'll put that on like that. I know this is a departure from building airplanes, and I feel the same way about it you do. But some things have to be done. All right, guys, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about how the airplane came to me and why I'm fixing it. It was a insurance auction. Basically, the airplane had been in an accident, been rolled over upside down on landing, and crushed the top down 7 inches from the weight of the airplane landed on itself. So basically, I stripped the covering off and evaluated the aircraft and removed all the bent tubing that was holding up the top deck and the top structure here. Made some fixtures that these are based off the original Super Cub airframe dimensional drawings that are available, which makes it really nice if you're working on a Super Cub. And these fixtures, based on those drawings, will set the level of the top structure indexing off the wing attach points. So it will index right in the wing attach points and give you the correct elevation off the lower longeron at the correct station, based on the original Piper drawing. That way you've got the correct angle of incidence on your wing. We got a 26-foot U-Haul truck. Packed the Super Cub in there. We built some ramps, and then we utilized the ramps as trays for the wings. Alright guys, I don't want to be getting into your business too much, but I just want to mention, if you're like me and you work in an office all week and you work in a shop for fun, and you're a pilot especially, you want to protect your eyeballs. It's hard to get your medical renewed when you got only one eye. So this guy right here will throw wires, and these will probably get you 80% of the way. But things can happen in the shop, I know, where it'll defeat even these. So you want to wear these, and you want to get a good face shield. This one's pretty well scratched up and needs to have the shield replaced. But you can see a pretty good gouge on this shield where another culprit got me, and that's this guy. You can see that these little cutoff wheels will come apart sometimes. They really get bad if they get wet. If they're sitting around in a box and they get some moisture in them, just throw them out. But they'll come apart and they'll really do a number on you. So if I wasn't wearing my face shield and I was only wearing my safety glasses, you know, that would have been a bad day. So just a thought. You can do what you like with it. So I just want to talk to you young fellers that might be married for a minute. You know, when you see airplanes come up for auction once in a while on the internet, and you throw a bid out there thinking, what are the chances that I'll ever get that? And you just go about your day and forget all about it. You might just want to consider, I don't know how I know this, but you might just want to consider mentioning to your wife that, hey, hon, I put a bid in on an airplane today, and I probably won't get it or anything like that, but just wanted to let you know, so that you know, a couple months down the road when the auction closes and you've won the bid, that you don't get a phone call, something like, "Honey, did you buy an airplane?"